Hello, it's GUMY. In this video, I will introduce you to the best artificial intelligence dubbing tool for videos. I'm going to show you the tool that I personally use to translate my YouTube videos in a really quick and easy way. So the tool I use is called GUMY. It's a website that allows you to translate your videos in a really simple way in just a few clicks with a very professional result, and for really not expensive at all, there is even a free trial version. You can find the link to access GUMY directly under the YouTube video, either in the description bar here or in the first pinned comment. All you have to do is simply click on the link. You will be automatically redirected to the GUMY website, and what's more, you can take advantage of a free trial period to be able to translate your videos. And you can see that I have already translated quite a few videos. It works really well. And so I'm going to show you a video that I initially made in French.
Hello, c'est GUMY. Dans cette vidéo, je vais montrer comment avoir un compte Spotify Premium gratuit. Tu vas voir, c'est vraiment tout simple. Donc si t'es prêt, c'est parti. N'hésite pas à aimer la vidéo et à t'abonner.
And now, this same video, I have translated it into many other languages on the GUMY website. I will show you, for example, the video which has been translated into Spanish. So I'll show you the result right away.
Hola, soy GUMY. En este video voy a mostrar cómo obtener una cuenta Premium de Spotify gratis. Verás que es realmente bastante sencillo, así que si estás preparado, vámonos.
You should know that there are more than 30 languages available on Debian. You can see examples here on their website which will show you that the same video has been translated into 25 languages. It can even clone your own voice to give it that little tone that is specific to your tone of voice, as you could see in the examples that I showed you. You can also directly have a transcript of the subtitles of your video, which you will be able to appear or not on your translated video, so that's super practical too. And the translation will recognize up to 10 people on the same video, and it will translate their voices separately in a super simple way. So on Debi's platform, you simply have to click at the top right on Try for Free, you click on it. Then you simply have to register with an email address or simply a Google account. I'm going to register with my Google account like this. Once that's done, you have a little tutorial that you may or may not read to learn how to use Debi. And then directly you will be able to translate a video. So you simply have to give a title to your project. You can, for example, put test here. Then you will be able to directly upload a video that you have on your computer to the website. Then you simply have to enter the language of the original video. For me, it was in French. Then you indicate which language you want to have your video translated into. I'm going to have it translated into Japanese. And then you can indicate how many people there are speaking. For me, there is one person speaking. Then you have three options. You can click on the first one here to clone your own voice with the same tone of voice in another language. It's very practical. Then you can also enable or disable the fact that the video will keep background noises in addition to translating your voice. And finally, you can also activate the option to add automatically translated subtitles to your video, which will appear in the image, as I told you. Then just click on Dub It like this. And then you are automatically redirected to your projects tab, and you will be able to see that your video is being translated. Once it's done, all you have to do is click on it to see the final result. I'll play it for you right away.
こんにちは、GUMYです。このビデオでは無料の Spotify プレミアムアカウントを取得する方法を説明します。非常に簡単であることがわかるので、準備ができたら始めます。
So there you have it. You see that the video was translated into Japanese. It was done in a super cool way, plus it kept my voice tone. And then you can simply download your video by clicking on download for free to have the video available on your computer. And then the logo that you can see here, don't worry, it's only present in the free version, but if you want to make it disappear, you will have to upgrade to a paid version. Simply click at the top right on the upgrade button in purple, like this, and then you will have three types of subscriptions. I started at the beginning with the hobby subscription, and now I am 100% satisfied. I moved to the creator model, which allows me to translate up to 2 hours of videos per month. For only $60, which means that compared to the competition, it's really a price that is extremely affordable. And then if you want to upgrade to a paid version, simply click on the purple button here at the bottom, and then simply enter your banking information. You can pay with Google Pay, Apple Pay as well, and then automatically your subscription will be activated, and then you will be able to translate lots of videos in a super simple way with AI. So there you have it. You know everything. Don't hesitate to ask me all your questions in the comments. You have the link to access GUMY under the video. It was GUMY. Ciao.